Welcome guys. In this video we are going to discuss why is trading forex so hard? Why do we have so many losers and few winners in the forex trading? Now let me tell you categorically, what you are going to learn in this video automatically change how you see forex trading and how you trade to make profit. Failure to follow step by step, you will definitely miss out on exactly why it is hard. And let me tell you, your ability to identify why it is hard will give you an edge to trade. There are a lot of speculations or answers out there on why forex trading is hard. However, those things are fake. You are going to understand the real reason it is hard, irrespective of detailed analysis, irrespective of concentrated analysis into the trading world. Still, you find it very difficult to make much money. So, why is it so challenging? What are the forces at play? The answer, as I said, might not be what you expect. Stick around. Let us unravel the truth about why this forex trading is difficult, why a lot of losses instead of gain, irrespective of the advert on how easy it looks like. Let me tell you from this moment, no, I'm yet to see the easiest way of making money. When it comes to making money, it is not easy. It is usually hard. However, with the right footstep, with the right direction, you will definitely make money in trading forex. Now, look at it. It is hard not because of lack of education, not because of lack of understanding of forex psychology, not lack of money management, not because of bad broker, not because you have not understood all these things. Now, let me put it clear. You need these things to really make money, but these things does not make forex hard, because once you learn the fundamentals, the education, the money management, the bad broker, the avoid the bad broker, you should have made money. That means you should make money. However, with all these things, which are very necessary, a lot of people don't make money from the market. So why is it hard? Now let me ask you, as a trader, do you know how many news, financial reports comes out from the Federal Reserve of America? Do you know? Weekly, we have hundreds of financial economic reports coming up from the Fed. Similar thing to European Central Bank. We have thousands of information, financial reports, CPI, unemployment rates, cut, interest rate cuts, and a lot of things coming out from these banks. You as a trader, how do you contend with all these things that comes out daily? Is it Bank of Japan? The news that comes out from these financial powerhouses in hundreds, weekly, daily, per seconds. How do you as a trader contend with these things? Now, the next question is, how many currency pairs do you deal with as a forex trader? We have hundreds of currency pairs you deal with as a forex trader. Remember, these are questions you have to ask. What are the geographical issues you contend with as a forex trader? Every blessed day, there are wars, tsunamis, natural disasters from one region to another, one continent to another. All these things. How do you as a trader contend with all these things? How do you handle these things? Now, the political crisis or political situations in the world, day in, day out, political heads are being changed. Elections are being conducted from one country to another. Elections continent to continent. Elections going on. What are the effects? You as a forex trader, you as a beginner, or intermediate forex trader, how do you come to terms with all these things? Then, back to the charts. All we have been talking are reflected on the chart. You see the reflection on the chart. How do you handle the technical analysis? How do you handle the languages that the forex speak? How do you see them? How do you think of maneuvering your way in such a technical market? The fundamentals. How do you deal with the fundamentals? Now, back to the questions. Or back to the question, why is Forex so hard? Without being told, you have seen as a Forex trader, you have a lot to contend before taking any decision. Before staking your money, you have to talk of the technical analysis, the fundamentals, the news, the political crisis around the world, the currency pairs. You have to consider all these things. Now, how do you sum it up? Now, the answer is simple. The forex market is alive. It is highly dynamic, constantly moving, adapting, and reacting to issues. A lot of countless factors, global economic policies, geopolitical events, natural disasters. And this is why what works today in the market don't work tomorrow in the market, may fail. That is why you hardly find a particular trading system that is fail proof. No matter the strategy you are trading as a forex trader, you always get to a point where it fails. Reason because it is not a static market. Let me tell you, I make money from other sources of the market in internet, other sources in the internet, affiliate marketing, blogging. Now, these things, once you set them right, a particular system you set in affiliate market can be generating money for the next 1 year without you touching the system, all coming passively. But forex market can never be so. That is why no robot, no EA lasts long in the market. It is highly dynamic, it is alive, and that is why hardly, or that is what makes forex so hard. Now, in that case, what is the secret of successful forex traders? As I earlier told you, you must become a successful trader when you understand why it is hard. Why, what is it that gives them the joy or to be pronounced as successful traders? It's simple. They understood the dynamic nature of the market, and that gives them the ability to patiently work and study the best way to simplify the trading. Please take note. You have to simplify your trading. You have to avoid a lot of noise in the market. That will make you a professional trader. You have to simplify it. It's as simple as that. Once you get it right, once you learn how to make it very easy and simple, you will obviously become a very successful trader. Now, this comes a special offer. If you are ready to change your financial situation today, do you want to trade the most simplified way of making money from the forex market? I mean, simplified way. Now, there is a link below that will take you to the exact training that changed my life as a forex trader. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share if you've really gotten the knowledge of why this market is hard, and there is a position or a training for you to make it simpler. Once you understand the simplicity of the market or how to simplify the market, you will definitely make money. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being there. Meet in the next